For our final project, we decided to make a lip balm manufacturing table. We wanted to create a real manufacturing application with a product that would be unique and memorable as far as class projects go. The program focused around an index table and utilized servo and stepper motors, pneumatics, PLC networking, HMI development, and a lot of trial and error.
What do we do? It's too much pressure.
The complete process involved 4 stations. First, a stepper motor driven custom 3D printed mechanism to feed the tubes into the table. Second, a pneumatic cylinder actuated syringe pump fed from a reservoir assembly salvaged from a discarded Keurig coffee machine to dispense the melted balm fluid. Third, a passive gravity-fed capping system with another pneumatic cylinder to seal the caps. Finally, the completed lip balm tubes are deposited down a chute to a container for final handling. Here you can see an uncut dry run of the complete sequence. The system we used for tube feeding was inspired by parts feeding systems that can actually orient the parts in case they are fed into the chute in the wrong direction. We 3D printed the coupling between the cylinder shaft and the syringe plunger and the tube connections to connect the different parts of the fluid tubing system. The plumbing involved check valves, a solenoid valve, and a small DC pump to provide positive pressure into the balm fluid reservoir. We found that timing was critical in order to feed the molten solution before it hardened within the plumbing. The capping system worked flawlessly in the end, but it took a lot of trial and error to get everything just right so that the passing tubes would take the next cap without shooting it off into the room. We only had 4 in-class weeks to complete the project, so if we had more time, we would have liked to include more process monitoring to indicate how many tubes were filled, the fluid level of our reservoir, a labeling station to fully complete the lip balm product, and more. All in all, it was a very challenging and rewarding process, and wouldn't be possible without being able to apply everything we've learned as part of the EMCC Electrical and Automation Technology program.